In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to 1688 with Google Chrome 2025 step by step. We'll walk through the simplest and most reliable method, using Alipay to scan a QR code so you can get into 1688 or Taobao quickly and securely. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer and going directly to either 1688.com or Taobao.com. Both sites use the same Alibaba account system, so the process is identical. For safety, type the address into the bar yourself and make sure you see the padlock icon in Chrome's address bar. If the page appears in Chinese, you can right-click and choose Translate to English to make the buttons easier to recognize. On the home page, look toward the top right and click the button labeled Login, shown in Chinese as Denglu. A login window will appear with several options. Choose Alipay Login, which you'll see written as Zifu Bao Denglu. This option opens the QR code login method. A large QR code should now be visible on the screen. If you don't see it, try disabling aggressive content blockers or refresh the page. QR codes also expire after a short time, so it's normal if it refreshes itself. Increase your screen brightness so your phone can read it clearly. Now pick up your phone and open the Alipay app. From the home screen, tap the scan icon. Point your camera at the QR code on your computer monitor, keeping the whole code in the frame. Within a moment, Alipay will recognize the code and display a confirmation prompt. Tap Confirm Login in the Alipay prompt to authorize the sign-in. This securely links your Alipay identity to the session in Chrome without typing a username or password on the website. After you confirm, return to Chrome. The page should update automatically, but if it doesn't, give it a second or refresh the tab. You're now logged in successfully. You'll know it worked when you see your account avatar or nickname in the top navigation area instead of the login button. A few quick tips to avoid hiccups. Make sure your phone has internet access and the camera permission enabled for Alipay. If scanning fails repeatedly, clean your camera lens and reduce glare on your monitor. When using Chrome's translation, the wording of the buttons may change slightly, but the placement stays the same. And for privacy, never share screenshots of the QR code, because anyone with that image could attempt to use it before it expires. That's it. You've logged into 1688 with Google Chrome using Alipay fast and secure.